Hello, I am Alyssa. Today we are looking at my Kidpik box. Kidpik is an online service for kids' clothes. So now, let's go and look at my box. Let's see the shoes, So, right here, I think I got the same thing as Marcella.
Every box comes with a gift, and they usually put the gifts in.
Yep, I got the same ones as Marcy.
They usually put the gifts in little things like this. And it's just like a gift for you.
So the first shirt is a sequin shirt and it has love. And then it flips to teal.
Teal?
Gold and teal. Gold and teal.
Okay, very nice.
So that is our first shirt. Now let's do the shoes. Marcy.
1 second, let her show me.
Next is a glittery pant.
Ooh.
And it is a large size 12.
Oh, bring it here.
Black with.
Let me see. Those are nice.
Black.
I guess that goes with the
gold.
shirt. This is not sequins. It's just.
No, it's just gold.
I don't think these are leggings. These are more like sweatpants.
Let's see.
It's actually pretty nice.
Are. And next, we have these.
Ooh,
ripped jeans.
those are stylish.
And at the bottom, it is folded, like how my mom likes.
They're like boyfriend jeans. Come here, let me see. Bring it
really?
closer. Yeah, that's what they're called. It's boyfriend or girlfriend jeans. They're like.
And right here, it
has very nice distressing. And they all come with the little K.
The distressed look. So, next we have this other teal kind of sweater.
And it has a knot.
And down here it has like a little knot.
Stylish knot. What do you think of this one?
I think it's actually pretty nice.
Can I feel it?
Mm-hmm. Next, we have
my
jacket.
goodness. That.
And the sleeves is like polar bear or bear.
like
it is so.
Very nice piece.
Now,
Okay, what's next? Now it's the shoes. And who's been
Who's
been waiting to see the shoes?
Them, I'm going to be very upset because you were like, oh, I want to see the shoes.
Okay, let me see them. The shoes.
I could probably see them.
Oh my goodness.
Even though it's not going to last too long because my feet grow really fast, but...
What size are you right now, 4?
4. I can enjoy it.
Let me see the shoe.
Still have the chance. And they actually gave me a shoe like that before. But then...
So you get to try everything at the comfort of your own home. You have 7 days to decide what you want to keep or exchange or return. And this is what the prices are. It'll give you the picture of what the item is, their price, and then the keep all price. If you keep everything, the total amount is $142. The total price is $203, so you can see the discount that you get. Pretty cool.
Everybody, welcome to this nice fashion show. So the person that's going to be going to do the fashion show is Alyssa Griffin.